The JLTV in 2026. Mobility, protection, and modern battlefield dominance. In the era of drone warfare and unpredictable insurgencies, survivability and flexibility aren't optional, they're critical. That's where the JLTV steps in, evolved and upgraded for 2026. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, is the U.S. military's answer to modern combat mobility. Introduced as a replacement for the aging Humvee, the JLTV was designed not just to survive but to dominate in asymmetric warfare, hostile terrains, and high-threat environments. Finished in desert brown camouflage, the JLTV represents not just power but purpose. Built with a V-shaped hull for blast protection and fitted with modular armor, it offers unparalleled survivability for troops on the move. Its 2026 upgrade brings next-generation battlefield tech, improved hybrid diesel-electric drive for quieter movement, integrated drone control systems, smart armor, and real-time battlefield data sharing through encrypted communication suites. What truly sets the JLTV apart is its mobility. Whether navigating muddy valleys, arid deserts, or urban zones, the vehicle's independent suspension and off-road capabilities ensure it gets the mission done, fast and safe. Armed with remotely operated weapon systems, including heavy machine guns or anti-tank missiles, it transforms from a transport vehicle into a frontline force multiplier in seconds. Today in 2026, the JLTV isn't just a vehicle, it's a tactical advantage. It's seen in operations across Eastern Europe, Africa, and the Pacific, adapting to both peacekeeping and high-intensity conflict scenarios. The JLTV proves that in modern warfare, speed, smart technology, and protection are the new armor. It's not just built for battle, it's built for the future.